Carlo here, welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about mostly sneakers and motivation. Oh, wala nang tech. And for this episode, I am very excited to bring you my review of the new Nike Lebron 16 in black and university red. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are giving away a bunch of sneakers. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, hit that like button down below, and click the link down below so you can see the rest of the mechanics of our latest giveaway. Subscribe now. Go, go, go! Amazing thing about basketball sneakers lately is that the design and the philosophy and the creativity and the technology around it makes for them to be excellent lifestyle sneakers as well as for the courts. Now, this particular sneaker is not an exception to that rule. In fact, this is one of the most kick-ass sneakers that I've seen in a long while. And ever since I saw the pictures pop up online, I really wanted to get my hands on them because it's something that I thought that I could really, wear a lot. Now, having said that, I just want to give a quick shout out to Good Soul PH. He is an Instagram reseller. And I usually go to resellers if I can't find, the pairs that I want in my size locally. So I've been looking for a size 13 of this one. I've hit up Titan and a bunch of other stores. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any. So thank you, Good Soul PH, for hooking me up with this pair. Really appreciate the effort that you guys made to get this to me fast. So let's get to it. So you have the box. You have the Lebron logo here at the front with Lebron, about to smash and kill with a slam dunk over there. You have the Nike logo on the other side. And then you have Lebron 16 here on the other side. And you have the information of the sneaker here on the other side as well. Now, it's a pretty straightforward box. There's nothing super... Oh, wait. There's a lion logo here as well, which you also find at the back of the sneaker, which was actually also used when they first launched the Lebron sneakers. So there were a lot of marketing materials featuring Lebron with lions around him. That was really kick-ass, and it's nice that they also put this here in the shoe. So let's pop the box open. Very straightforward. It's a big black box. It's actually a very big box for a sneaker. So yeah, there's nothing special about the wrapper. It's just plain white. But man, take a look at that shoe. Take a look at that sneaker. And man, take a look at that glaring lion. What? This is probably really one of the most kick-ass sneakers that I've seen in a long while. And I kid you not, I've seen a lot of sneakers this year alone. I mean, this just screams epic. This screams legendary. This just, oh man, it's just an amazingly well-designed sneaker. But that's just on the creativity part. If you take a look at the technology, if you take a look at the history, it will even blow your mind some more. This sneaker actually features two things that are, one major thing that's very, very new. It's BattleNet 2.0, which is the upper of the sneaker. Midsole is your typical Nike Max Air midsole, which was actually found already in the Lebron 15. So the magic or all the effort that the designers did went into redesigning and rebuilding and strengthening the upper that you guys see here at the top. Let's talk about that for a bit. For the upper, Nike actually used a new type of machine called the Shima machine, which allows you to build knit in a new way. They're calling it the strongest yarn yet. And they did that mainly because this is a shoe that was tooled and geared and made for LeBron James. And as you guys know, LeBron is a very aggressive attacker and player when it comes to basketball. And he really needs like super tough sneakers to be able, to guard his feet and to give him the best performance possible. In fact, I've read a bunch of articles that LeBron actually spends like $1 million a year on his body to make sure that it's in, best condition, probably even more. So it does make a lot of sense that when it comes to building a sneaker for him, you really whip out everything that you can in terms of technology to be able to protect and enhance the performance of one of the best athletes in the world today. So you see that red material that you guys see at the top, that's actually Nike's highest tenacity yarn, or their toughest yarn to date, molded with the BattleNet material here at the top. So if you combine that with the rest of the materials that you see here with the upper, as well as with the Max Air unit of Nike here at the bottom, that is supposed to deliver one of the best performing and most durable and protective sneakers that you can get for basketball. And yeah, apart from that, it just looks so kick-ass. I mean, how they did the design, how the black interspersed with the red really makes it pop. If you take a look at the different angles, man, I really don't have enough words to describe how much I am loving the overall look of the sneaker. And if you take a look at the back, you have that same lion that you see here, staring down on you with those big red eyes. And apparently there's a story to this. Again, Nike connected lions to Lebron when they first came out with this first shoe with their marketing materials. There are a bunch of them online, you can just look it up. But what really makes this really cool was that epic stare down of Lebron during Game 6 with Boston when he was still with Miami. You could really tell that the fire in his eyes and, you know, his determination to be able to win that game no matter what. And that's actually what inspired that glaring lion that you guys see here at the back. Moving to the midsole, you have that Max Air unit in red over here, and moving to the bottom to the outsole, you have black rubber outsole with red specs to give it a little more personality, a little more style, and that Lebron dunking figure here at the back of the foot. And the only thing interesting I find about this is that the colorways are definitely more of a callback to either Miami or the Cleveland Cavaliers, and not really the Lakers where Lebron is now at. But this is just one of the first colorways, and the second and third actually, and a bunch of other colorways are on the way. So it's only a matter of time before you see a yellow in purple, or at least a Lakers-inspired colorway of the Lebron 16 hit the shelves. But I am very happy with this pair. This is very wearable. This is something that I could really, I'd love to wear regularly. And yeah, I'll probably wear this today. I'm actually giving a talk over at Digicon. It's one of the biggest digital events in the country here in the Philippines. I'm moderating a panel which includes Will Dasovich, Alodia Goshenfiao, Christian of Sneaker Talk, and a bunch of other brilliant people. So I'm seriously thinking of wearing this one instead of the typical leather shoes. So let's see. Lebron 16 is now out in a lot of stores. You can just check them out at Titan or hit up Good Soul PH if you guys don't find your size, or a lot of the other resellers that you can see online. This one sells for a little less than 10,000 pesos, but if you try to get it from resellers, usually there is a markup of 1,000 to 2,000 pesos. So as much as possible, it would be better if you try to get it in a local store so that you get it for the the actual SRP. But if you can't find your size and if you're out of stocks, at least you still have an option of getting it from other sources here in the Philippines. And that's, I think, the beauty of the sneaker ecosystem that we have today. And that's actually it for this vlog. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, I will be coming out with a bunch of unboxings in the coming days. I've actually racked up a lot of sneakers. They're all lined up to be unboxed. So please do make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Follow me on IG because I have a ton of content for you guys, and I'm excited to bring them to you over the next few days. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. Have a great week. What's up?